It is every little girl's dream to have that gorgeous dream wedding. Every girl wants to dress up as that princess, and every guy for sure he wants to be the daring king who will take her across the runway. Well, now let's meet this wonderful designer who is so passionate about weddings, and let's hear how he talks about his passion for designing that wonderful gorgeous wedding dress. And this is designer Saif Hamza. Let's meet him on Rendezvous Counter.
Hi to all the viewers of Kappa TV. I'm Saif Hamza, designer. Every designer has his own signature style. So it's a merge between their signature style and the artist's individuality. The combination of that can bring out the best outfit and the best look. I'm in love with making lehengas, and I like mixing colors, mostly tricolors. Double shades. That's my signature style, and mostly my styles have a lot of handwork on it. When it comes to wedding clothing, mostly people try to follow certain celebrities, and then they try to fit it into their individuality. But mostly what we at La Tiara we try to do is we try to bring out their personality within a certain color bounds. And we try to work around those colors and around those, detailing on the garment. La Tiara actually stands for the crown of princess wear. And the idea behind it is because we like to consider all the young ladies who wear our clothes to be as a princess. We try to do our best in that respect to give them that feel of importance. Today, people come to our store to shop for wedding. They always come with their mother, sister. They come as a group. When we sit down for a discussion, the discussion always starts with the sari and ends up with the lehenga. Because most of the young people today are more looking at Bollywood movies, Tamil movies. They are trying to bring out that fashion into their clothing. And so they are kind of shifting from the sari scene. I think celebrity clothing has a lot to do today with designing. Most of the celebrity wear clothes to big functions, and these are like noticed by everyone. Today it's on YouTube, it's on Facebook, it's on all the magazines. So it's very easy for youngsters to go download the picture and then come to a designer and say, this is what we want to do. I think the key is to understand your consumer. It's to understand who you're trying to clothe on and for whom that outfit is, what their personality is. I think everything depends on that. You can make the best outfit, and if the person who's wearing it doesn't fit into that particular profile, then you'll always feel something missing there.